Hi everybody. In our previous video, we have discussed about the treasure of value of Standard 4, first chapter, Pigeons and the Hunter. And we know the story about that teamwork. So, before we start our next part, we just again revise the summary of this story. In this story, the pigeons were very hungry and they were searching of food. After a long time, they found some food on the ground. Some grains of rice scattered on the ground. They felt very happy. After some time, they realized it was a trap when they saw the hunter. It was a very crucial time for the pigeons. When the hunter trapped them through the net, or at that moment, their leader gave them an opinion to fly up high along with the net forcefully. And the pigeons followed their leader's opinion and succeeded. And what is the moral of this story? In this story, we learn about the teamwork of the pigeons. In a team, we can exchange our ideas and respect for all individuals. When we work together as a team, our strengths multiply and we can easily achieve what an individual cannot do alone. So, in one sentence, we can say that unity is strength. Now, look at the book. There is a thing that what we learned. Dear kids, teamwork can do wonders. In a team, there should be free exchange of ideas and respect for all individuals. When we work together collectively in a team, our strengths multiply. Therefore, a team can easily achieve what an individual cannot do alone. So, students, team is a very magical thing. When we are in the classroom with our friends, if we make a team and maintain any disciplined work together, it can give a very beautiful result to us. So always we remember that if any problem occurs, we always should maintain it with the help of our team, and we should make a team always and respect each and other's ideas. Now students, we will discuss about the questions answers from the chapter. Before we go to the answer the following question, we go to the tick the correct options. The pigeons were in search of food or hunter? Food. The pigeons were surprised because they saw food or hunter? Hunter. The hunter had attracted pigeons by spreading net or grains of rice? Grains of rice. The pigeons flew without the net or along with the net? Along with the net. Now, complete the following sentences. The pigeons were happy to see what? Some grains of rice scattered on the ground. Number 2. The hunter came with a bow and an arrow in his hand. Number 3. The leader of the pigeons said, that they should act together and queue up along with the need to save themselves. Last question. The pigeons were able to save their lives because they worked together as a team by maintained their leaders' advice. So these are the type of this answers. If we go through there is a formative assessment. Circle with green pen things that you will do in a group, and circle with red pens things that you will do alone. I have a pencil in my hand, so I just put a tick mark what we have to do in a group, and put a circle what we should have to do alone. So here the girl combing, so we can do it alone. And now the group work is there too, and when we are playing and we are making any drama like this way, so you can easily understand these things. Now we go to the question and answers part, and I share the screen with you because there have no space to write down. And our first question is, why were the pigeons tired? We all know that the pigeons were very hungry. In search of food, they had been flying for a long time, so they felt tired. In the next question, what did the pigeons see on the ground? The pigeons saw some grains of rice scattered on the ground. Why were the pigeons surprised? The pigeons were surprised to see the hunter with a bow and an arrow in his hand. The pigeons realized that it was the hunter who had attracted them by spreading the grains and trapped them into the net. What did the leader of the pigeons advise the other pigeons? The leader of the pigeons advised the other pigeons that they should act together as a team, and they had flew up along with the net with their full force. Only this method could save them from the hunter. How did the pigeons save their lives? The pigeons followed their leader's opinion, and they had flew up along with the net forcefully and saved their lives. So students, you got that PDF previously, and you can easily understand the question answers from there. At first, you memorize the question answers. You have to read the chapter very carefully and go through the text again and again, read it, understand it, and then memorize the answers. So hope we will meet soon, and I also tell you that teamwork is a very important thing in our life. So hope for the best. Thank you.